bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. Whoa. Where's that other one hiding? There is a... Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Coming right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh. No more being brought into the kill. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. I'm not meaning to... Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. See the walk loop, make sure... Ah! Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's... You know, let's recharge it. And go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere near.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head. And that yellow is...
Got it. Shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. some new Cat 6 or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Levin's art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. Okay, and there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Hold on, making that screen cap here. Oh, no wonder. On backwards. If he thought that I was the best streamer on Twitch and that if he thought and I'm learning game dev using Godot, working on a scary ass bear game. At least that's a goal. I hope that he's a scary ass bear, not a bear with a scary ass. Although, I guess it really depends on his diet, doesn't it? How scary his ass is going to be. I mean, if he's on a Huel diet like me, it's going to be very scary. But I digest. You're first. You're first. You're not the worst. No, 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 no. Oh, that's weird. Got like stars behind me here. Yeah, let's fix that. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Also, Jules Bouet, thank you for being first. Oh, I did it right. Nice. Jules is fine. Okay, thank you. There we go. Get rid of that star field behind my head. All right. So welcome in. I am going to pretend to attempt a game jam. That's right. Fox Hollow Games is having a game jam. You less boot. That's actually pretty funny. Sorry, but Yes. All right, so Orbos, welcome in. Good to see you over on this side. Let's see. Got 8 days. July 14th. I don't know. I don't have any ideas either. I don't know why I do this to myself. Um Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Did not sleep well. This is becoming the norm actually. But that's aside. What the hell is going on with the screen? Hold on. All right, I think that might fix it. I don't know. I have to go back in and change some more settings. Hey, Lexi, what is up? Uh-oh. Well, what the hell? What the actual hell? Okay, everything is broken this morning, it would seem. I mean, look. Look, for some reason right here, you can see right through me. It's not good. Um, there. Can't see through me. Too much, too little. We doing good? We doing good? It's still too early to tell. But thank you for asking. I'm pushing through here. How about yourself? Hopefully all is well. Awesome. I can't wait to see you back streaming.
Oh God!
Shoot them.
You got this shit. You're awesome at all of it. Nothing to be nervous about. You'll kill it as you always do.
Oh crap. Run, run. Ah, there's one there too.
And anybody who tries to ruin it, fuck them. All right, so the Game Jam theme is primordial. And the first thing that comes to mind with that is ooze. But it's also a mechanic of randomness. So what does that mean? Well, let's obsidian this shit. Oh man. You know it's gonna be great when I finally get a job again and have insurance and I'm able to get my tooth fixed. Shit hurts. Not as bad as it was, but it's still not great. Doesn't Canada have like much better healthcare options or anything than the US? I always assume that. If I am assuming incorrectly, I apologize. Dental is healthcare. Jesus, when are people gonna realize this shit? Well, not people. When are companies and everything else gonna realize this shit? Jules, I don't know. So let me show you all something. Sea of Tranquility, welcome in. Wolger, welcome in. Let me see. I'm just trying to find. This is because of a tooth. See that? When I saw the dentist was concerned about the infection going into my eye. That's because of a tooth. Yeah, that's what I've got right now, Lexi. I need a root canal. Wilger, I think I'm gonna try a jam because I like punishment. I like suffering. I like having new reasons to hate myself for not finishing things. Hey, second favorite, what's up? Thank you again for that sax video. I you know what? Why is my frame rate dropping? Your pool, that's right. What the actual hell? OBS right now, for some reason, is taking up 35% GPU and dropping frame rate like crazy. Anything else? No, nothing. Nothing else is taking GPU right now. So the thing that about that I mean, if a friend's a composer, can I get a copy? Um, but I'm gonna pull up that video. Um, Sea of Tranquility. Yes, the design principle is input randomness, and the theme is primordial. Let me pause Spotify. This composition, and then reading about it. Inspired by AC/DC, it makes so much sense. But the thing that not bothers me, that impresses me more than anything, is this 7/8 and being able to play with somebody else without, like, I mean, I don't know, this is a recording, but without having somebody, marking time for you, because 7/8 is normally divided into two groups of three, one group of two. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and switching back and forth, and there are like single bars of that in the middle. Wait, no, 1 2 3 1 2 3. No, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 is 8 8. So this is 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Man, it's so good. So freaking good. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So freaking good. Sorry, I can't even talk over it. Tussin, what is up? Now for something completely different. And watching my frame rate drop. Why? You know what it is? Nope, that's not even going to do it. What is eating my CPU and GPU? I don't know what it is, but I'm dropping. The theme is primordial. So, of course, the first thing that comes to mind is ooze. Prehistoric. Evolution. Hey, Ryan. Sorry, didn't see your message pop through there. Welcome in, Ryan. Good to see you. Lexi, if you're still here, what did you think of the new season of Shorzy? Evolution. Lightning creates life. Um, what else? What else? I'd like to try a different mechanic too. Something, not necessarily a platformer or top-down shooter or something like that. Maybe let's keep it. Meteor is a good one. Primordial, existing from the primordial oceans. Earliest stage of development. The word primordial comes from Latin primus. There was a race car driver. And to begin, so like the opening to Winona's Big Brown Beaver. um, Primordial synonyms: ancient, primitive, primal, primeval, prehistoric, early. Mm. So, was that a word there? Primogenitor? Did I miss something, or is that just... Oh, near primordial. Okay. Primogenitor. Person who's several generations earlier in an individual's line of descent. No, aka dead people. It did sound cool, yeah. We are the primogenitors, and we are here to fuck shit up. Do. Okay, I'm just trying to get my frame rate back up. I hate the fact that I'm watching it drop down to the 40s. Game type. Oh. You know what? Hold on. I got a message. Um. The other thing here. Required mechanic. Input randomness. Now, Foxhole will put here, or yeah, 2 types of random in game design. I don't want to watch the whole thing.
Mario Kart, where the random item boxes are way more generous to the players at the back of the pack than those in first place. Is usually only desirable when it's expected that players of vastly different skill levels will be playing together, otherwise the random
2 types of randomness
in game design. But to really get to grips with it, we need to break it down into 2 types, which game designers frequently refer to as input randomness and output randomness. Input randomness is when a random event occurs before the player gets to make a decision. The most obvious take on this is the procedurally generated levels in a roguelike, because they're cobbled together and then you get to play in them. Other examples are drawing a hand of cards before taking your turn in a deck builder, or rolling dice and then choosing where to spend them in dicey dungeons. Output randomness, though, is when you make a decision and then luck takes over and the game tells you what happened. The most infamous example of this is hit chances in XCOM, where you tell your soldier to shoot an alien.
How input randomness can fail.
Input randomness, these unpredictable starting conditions can sometimes massively dictate the likelihood of success. In Spelunky, these crates have random items in them. You're much more likely to get something mediocre like bombs or ropes than something amazing like a shotgun or jetpack. But if you are so lucky as to get one of these items at the start of the game, you're going to have a much easier time of things. This can make it hard to tell if your success was down to skill or just good luck, and it can also make runs where you don't get the goodies feel slightly pointless. Some speedrunners will just restart the game over and over again until luck is in their favour and they get good items in an early crate or shop.
Oh,
To be fair, this does lend Spelunky an interestingly spiky texture, but designers have found some clever new ways to present random starting conditions.
okay.
In Slay the Spire, the devs didn't want you to just hit restart until you got some really powerful cards or a relic at the beginning of your run. So, they introduced a system where you start the game with additional bonuses, but only if you made it to the first boss on your previous go. This encourages players to at least try to play with the stuff they're given.
Interesting.
And who knows, maybe they'll still find a strategy that can see them be victorious. Another way is to control the randomness in some fashion to reduce the chaos that it can bring. When setting up the tabletop game Pandemic, you start by removing all of the epidemic cards from the playdeck. These cards are terrifying, game-changing events that can completely demolish your team. You then split the remaining cards into 4 piles and shuffle 1 epidemic card into each. Finally, you stack the 4 piles together to create a finished deck. It's a bit of a faff, but it's a clever way of ensuring that you always have a pretty fair game where epidemic events happen evenly throughout the adventure. It's impossible to have, say, 3 epidemics at the very start, or no epidemics until long after you've cured all the diseases. But there's still a chance of getting 2 epidemics and delivers them in that order before making a new sequence. This ensures that you'll always get a diverse selection of blocks, and there's an absolute maximum of 12 garbage blocks between 2 gorgeous eye blocks, sometimes called line pieces or Colin Blocksworth. And for what it's worth, while Spelunky typically has a low chance of randomly giving you one of these icky dark levels, the game won't spawn one if you finished the previous stage in under 20 seconds, just to be merciful to speedrunners. Another thing to consider is how often are new input randomness events occurring. If these occur at the start of every single turn, it can have the effect of drawing the information horizon in claustrophobically close and stopping you from making plans that last any time at all. Designers should ideally consider their game's information flow, a term invented by Ethan Hopener.
Okay, so here's an idea. You start off as ooze. And you're going to evolve shortly into something. All right, let's see. Sea of Tranquility. I don't know. I'm wanting to do something slightly different than what I've done, and not the twin stick, not the not a platformer. I mean, it's probably going to be pixel art because that's just simple shit, and I am not good artist. But yeah, 2D, definitely 2D. Well, hold on. Let me. Ooh. Actually, I kind of think I could recreate that to a point. Nope, nope, I was wrong. Definitely wrong. I So deck building would be fun. I'll ask Slay the Spire. That'd be a different type. I mean, a platformer wouldn't be bad. Thinking Altered Beast. But I don't know if I could, how much of that I could complete in 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. Got it. Nobody watches VHS anymore. Stupid ring girl. I mean, so Porpos, no, well, it can be. It's Obsidian. And it's just a mind map thing. Type thing. Which I forgot. Nope, okay. That doesn't work here. Can I tag my... I think that I've seen Red Letter Media. Wait, didn't they do a full video or a full movie in High on Life? Yep, they did.
What does it say, Rich?
It says Demon Wind.
Demon Wind.
Oh, I can hear wind. That's the.
But those guys really gonna just talk the whole
Are you
time?
sure it's not an unrelated wind?
They, if I remember right, there's an achievement for this game. Like watch so many minutes of this, and it's like, we paid for the rights to this movie, or we put this entire track in here. You might as well watch it. It is. So there are problems with it's a fun game, it's an interesting game, it's definitely kind of short, but it's also a Justin Roiland game. I mean, he does so many of the voices in there, but he's not the only voice. He's just like one of the main. You know, right now he's kind of problematic. But if you can, it's one of those situations, hate the artist, like the art. Munglo. How we doing, Munglo? Munglo. He does Godot. Osalt.com. Not to be confused with opepper.com, which is a weird slash fic from the Iron Man movies. Hey, Munglo, have you ever done like 2D? Trying to think of how to explain it. So I'm thinking here. Let's just say for the sake of saying, that our character is going to be, or going to start off, if we do a platformer, basically, you know, I wish I could get, actually I could if I went to a different map. And actually that might not be a bad idea just for doing the initial animations. But I keep thinking platformer. I keep thinking platformer. Stop thinking platformer. What else is here taking up my... What is eating my soul? For 2D, Corbo's, well, one of the requirements, if I were to run the gauntlet, not Gauntlet Legends, run the gauntlet, all assets have to be created. Okay, so let me get the colors here. Boom. Yes, chlorophyll green. I think I'll do electric lime, jungle green. No, I think that we are better. Mint. No, no. Dim green. No. Electric lime. That looks, yeah, electric lime. Okay, so let's say that this is, you know, the ooze that we start with, okay? Video blender, textures blender, margaritas blender, smoothie blender. But I want kind of, I guess it would be, okay, I got an idea here of how to explain it, maybe. Let's just say, okay, so we've got several shapes here, but to have movement, to have kind of locomotion, I think it would look really cool if we had them. Paintbrush. Where'd you go, paintbrush? The fuck are you? I can't see you. Like for moving. Have the collection of shapes here rotate along so that it looks like it's moving. I don't know. So here is the, so the XY problem. I have a potential solution to a problem that I don't know if, or potential path to the right solution. But the issue is, I think I want to do ooze because the theme is primordial. Has to have some sort of randomness. Corvo, what is that? Synfig? Terraces. Oh, I think I have seen this before. Your balls are meta. Sorry. 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 Mungle, can you forgive me? That was bad. All right. Hey, Cap. Yeah, I figured I'd give it a shot. I mean, I was going to do a twin stick shooter all about... I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I saw what you're doing this morning. It looks good. Coming up with something in the theme is weird. It's hard. Like, I want to do something. Yeah, I was thinking a gauntlet, but I'm definitely no, I'm not good enough for the gauntlet. I mean, the closest thing to a finished product that I've ever put out has been that platformer game that I did as a presentation that I was supposed to do next week, but I can't afford to get to Asheville, so I had to cancel and pull out, which is also not great for Captain, have you met yourself? You don't know the definition of just relax.
Let's try it. Lieutenant Conker, thank you for being here. Oh my
Listen.
goodness.
Tussin,
Robitussin MD just subscribed.
thank you for the sub. Tier 1 sub. Gonna one up the captain here. Tussin gave me a sub to show their love. I don't have any more words for this song. Second favorite, Captain hasn't done a sub song. Captain Coder has never done a sub song. I can definitely say with certainty that the Captain Coder has never once done a song for his subscribers. Well, I wasn't using a pick. I was just... I don't know what happened to my pick. As I've mentioned before, I am kind of a slob. But part of my thinking is that, hey, I have not been able to play sax. You know, I once asked Captain, would you stop singing for me? Would you stop singing to your followers for me? And he answered,
Yes, the answer is yes, Daddy. Daddy.
and the bug
Yes,
works
the
out in my
answer is
favor
yes,
this time.
Daddy. Daddy, the answer is yes.
It's weird. Sometimes it'll turn off. I think I need to set a larger delay on the source getting turned off. Okay, so what were we looking? Oh, God damn it. Did it download? It's downloading. Okay, great. Now I gotta scroll back here. Let's see. There was a question about metaballs are objects in Blender. Yeah. So very similar to like CSG in Godot, right? And there was something about the Cambrian explosion. Well, the kind of same concept because CSG also like grabs onto each other and joins together. That's what. For now, but there's something. There is a way to connect them all. Because I just did this the other day. What did I do on it? I know I just did this. There it is. This is what I was getting at with the combiner. Not all the same. What? I mean, they're combining. I'd say they're similar. Okay, okay. That's all I've ever wanted. All I've ever wanted from you, Bungalow. Just to tell me I'm one quarter right. One fourth correct. That's it. Is that too much to ask? Just like, hey, Munglo, I need this win. I need this win. Well, yeah, it's I mean, only 6 rings and I will be back very shortly. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone. All right? Good. So wait, you've got no playlist, but you've got 6 videos up here. You're up to 1,300 subscribers. But what would you say you attribute your... It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. There we go. Fuck it, say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's gonna care. And that's how I feel. Oh, daddy. God damn it. Affin, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone.
And recently
back.
probably best known for starting distribution platform called Humble Bundle in the air in any way. Of that, we can make sure that that's the case. Another wheel-like technique just to figure out how much distance he's moved on the ground, and that kind of ticks off the because gravity is always constant. And now absorbing landings. It just adds some downwards force to the crouching spring. So we don't really need a landing animation at all. We do no harm to the gameplay. So by running into the wall. The next step was to add some acceleration tilt to it. So whenever he accelerates, there's the pass pose and the reach pose, where his legs are passing, and then the extreme position. And I just kind of used this surveyor wheel-like technique just to figure out how much distance he's moved on the ground, and that kind of ticks off the key.
Oh, that's really cool.
So no matter how fast or how...
I know, Mungo, so right now we're just planning out what the game might be, but I do know that I want to start with Ooze. All right. We pay tribute to the gods of Blender by deleting everything in the opening scene. Done. I know. I'm just a moment, please. What is this extra ring around it? What's the ring around the rosy do? Integration by parts. Welcome. Is this just where things are going to try to connect? Okay. Let's see. Bring your seat. No, well, kinda. This is kinda. But yeah, I think I did something like this before. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but I want to see how I can do it because I want it to be. I want it to be, well, you know what? Let's just say I know, I have a tendency to drop off mid sentence. But I'm curious. I've got an idea here. I want to try it out though. Right, so gonna save as projects. All right, now I wanna check this. I don't know if it'll work. We're gonna try it and see if I can take the meta balls and bring them into Godot, and if they keep the same properties or not. You might already know the answer to this. Okay, so it doesn't look like that works because there's no meshes. So for it to work the way that I'm thinking, which is procedurally, exactly. So I know you have thoughts on CSG. Hey Ryan, what's up? Just create elastic, cloth, rubber, other flexibles. Many known bugs. Wonderful. Proton Fig, welcome in. Okay, mesh. Oh, okay. Here we go. Holy crap. Ryan just started a new one. I'm gonna try a game jam because I apparently like punishment. Okay, so that's for cloaks. Corbos, I'm trying to game jam. Yep. Pinned joints.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
Now, it's not letting me select those, so let me just try my idea here. I know that it's probably a bad idea, but Lexi, you should definitely try the LLM demo.
Long, long,
Well, I'm just curious. I mean, yeah, we could do this. And yes, render out frame by frame. All right, Ryan, take care. Good seeing you. but I want to make sure that it has a good like that it looks decent. And you know what we could always do too, not necessarily make it 3D. It doesn't necessarily have to look, well, you would basically need a path, right? Make it 3D. Let's get it out here where we could see. Thanks, Munglo. Let's see, can I pull this here? No, nope, nope, nope. Okay, okay, let's get out of object mode here and let's check this shit out here. What if I were to child all those? No, okay. Not quite, not quite. Um, Shonda Worst, welcome in. Good to see you. Let's get rid of that one. And let's see. Okay, follow. Nope, nope, nope. Add. Follow path. Now, just out of curiosity, I think this could look really cool. Lieutenant Conqueror, welcome in. I'm gonna try a game jam. I'm if I can get past this part. Actually, Solo. I got an idea here. I definitely have an idea. Now, no. And so, you get the satisfaction of knowing that you've made it into the water. This is actually kind of what I'm looking at here, or what I'd like to do. Kudo Minix, welcome in. Now this is kind of also what we're looking at. Feathered, I am making some ooze. At least attempting to. All right, object here. Let me see something here, because it should be constrained to the path, right? Okay, okay. If I put metaball here. Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Um, I can set that offset. All right, now if I go back to the path shit. Coffeeed up, yes. Sean DeWorst. 7 days. Hey, Uro, what is up? right, there we go. Making an ooze. I think. Right on, me too. I don't have a ton of ideas really yet, but I'm having fun thinking about some stuff here. All right, I'm on the circle here. All right, let's see. Down a bit here. Check that out. Okay, so now what? Okay, let's make sure that it's still moving forward. Nope. Okay. Curve. No, 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 no. We want a camera. We want a camera. Nope. No, don't you fucking dare. Don't you fucking. Okay. No, no. Why? Okay, got that. Then film, transparent. There we go. Now what we need to do here is yes, Ura. Yes. let's see, Shift A, add noise texture, Voronoi texture. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, trying to remember how I did this before. Voronoi texture. There we go. And now what's clamp do? And what's follow do? Okay, there's that. Now, Godot God. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Not quite, not quite. No, I don't want him there. Never mind that. Tussin, thank you. I made it myself. See, turn off the goddamn freestyle. Let's see. 48 by... Um, 48 by 36? 36. 36 is good. Then, let's see. There we go. I can't change that. But what I can do, here we go. Glad to help out. All right, so next step here. This is a lot of work for just like the first. Oh. Okay, where the hell is that? Okay, there shouldn't be any easing or... Timeline. No. This should be a... Okay, let's try this again. All right. Because this should... Oh, okay. I think I know what I did here. No, it's still doing the ease in, ease out. I don't want that. Okay, so this should, whoa. Nope. Why is it ease in, ease out, huh? Ah, thank you. Oh, wait, no. I know what I did there. Linear, da. Perfect. Almost. In a way, yes, I think, well, let's see. I mean, this is what it's going to look like. That is the question, 12 feet up. But I could, you know what? We could take this down. Just see what it looks like. And that's kind of a cool little thing. But let's take that back here. I am kind of concerned, right? Well, I don't know. I think that little bit of gap there gives it something extra, gives it that little oomph. Yeah? Yeah, maybe. Where the hell did that come from? Okay. RGBA. Yeah, 30 is good. 30 is good. All right, ads are starting up. I'm going to be back in a few minutes. See you soon. Forest full of trees. I can't find a single one. Oh, okay, there's my bathroom for the night. Yep. Set. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, over and over again from that clip. Just go. Uh-huh. Ball. Fuck it. Say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's gonna care. And that's how I feel. That's understandable. So for readers coming in, my name's JD. I am a web developer, currently out of work, looking for a job. Oh, no wonder. On backwards. Hold on, I'm making that screen cap here. "14 hours in, and this is what I've accomplished." Yeah. Help me. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Been right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh, no more being brought into the kill. I don't know why I wasn't following you before. I was sure that I had, but Twitch is weird sometimes. Whoa. All right, back. And my FPS is draining again. Ba-ba-doo, ba-da-da-da-ba-doo. Okay, that does kind of look cool. I don't like that though, that I don't like the way that whenever I click out of this thing, I have to redo it. And I also don't like the fact that I have no idea what comes next. Yay, I made a news. Good for me. But I don't have an idea for the game. What type should it be? I mean, 2D platformer is going to be kind of overdone. Maybe I don't know. Let's crowdsource this idea here. Has to be randomized, has to be something that the player doesn't have control over. We got primordial ooze. I'm confused. Something came out of the primordial ooze, and then what? I was thinking along the lines of excuse me. Now, I was kind of thinking something along the lines of like Altered Beast. One moment. You need to extract the ROM. I shouldn't need to extract it. MAME should not require it to be. Nope. Okay. 3170078. Hey, Ruben, what's up? What am I missing here? I don't know what I'm missing here. What? Excuse me. Any idea? Anybody good with MAME? Nope, that's not it. Okay, weird. Um, well, damn it. Okay, apparently it hasn't been updated for current version. Let's see. Let's see. No, it's not. Weird. Okay, I'm apparently doing something very wrong here. But I don't know what it is. I don't want to spend all day trying to figure that out. Okay. So that seems to be the problem, that it requires an older version. AIM 0139. Holy shit. Let's see. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Nope. Copy that. Oh, Okay, Clear start keyboard 1. Ah, shit. Walker, did you just change your color? Why would you do something like that?
Rise from your grave.
Oh, y'all can't see it, can ya?
Power up. Power up.
Like something like yeah, tiny head. Like a slow evolve or been an evolution, but you don't have control. You don't know what the no. I'm dead. Kick to the nuts. Kick to the nuts. Kick to the...
Welcome to your doom.
What?
Never give up.
Got him. Head finger. It's a dude from Prometheus. It's an alien guy. I love that. I love that look. No, punch. Oh shit. Kicking. Oh, that was brutal.
Power up.
Oh, Crystal Chest has fallen again. Ah! I've got a, like, weird critter thingy on my head. No, Prometheus, dude. You created the xenomorphs, not me. Oh no.
Never.
Yes. Ah. Seriously? No, stop eating me, you weirdo. What juggling me around? No, I think that's the best band name. We are Potbelly Headfinger. Now what are you gonna turn into? Another Potbelly Headfinger?
Welcome to your doom.
Oh, what's his name? What's his name? Come up with a name for him.
Never give up.
What the hell is it? I can't fly around these things. All this stuff is stun them temporarily for like not even close to long enough. Oh, he's shaking. He's shaking. No!
Never give up.
I'm mashing buttons as hard as I can mash buttons. Jesus. Okay. I still don't know what the hell we're doing with this. What's up, RCB? Primordial ooze. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. But I don't know. I don't have the game idea. So the thought was, I didn't want to do a 2D or any kind of platformer. Nope. I joined Fox Hollow Jam. I don't know why. I haven't completed a single game jam. I'm afraid to complete one. I'm afraid that putting out the stuff that I have is not good enough, and then I'm wasting time. I mean, I made quite a bit of stuff for it, but hey, Meatball. Want to see if a person entering a command chat has a subscription of any kind. So you can do it. Streamerbot time. Streamerbot time. Commands. When you make a command, you can choose who has it, or do you want to see, or do you want to see if the user has that? Because you can create different types of groups here, and you can check like for jump. When it's running, it'll do the thing. But you can make it so that, okay, only moderators are able to use this. Or everybody can use this except for followers, or well, you might have to create groups. But if you want to check, let no, these were by default. Let me see. Did I have to do something? Twitch. think I had to do anything to add that in. But in addition, you could like jump oh well, here we go. Inspect variables when queued. That one was time. Oh, that's not going to show. I know. I'm looking for something, but here we go. Okay, so I can't really increase the size of it, but there is actually, yes, I can. When somebody triggers a command, there's a check here. Is moderator, is subscribed, is user type, blah, blah, blah. So in there, if you made an action, custom test, sub action, core, logic, if else, if variable, and then you grab that sub, is and true, then do something. I'm going to cancel that, and then looking at the action history here, is subscribed, is moderator, is VIP. So these are the variables that you get. You can get all these other things in that logic. Core file logic. And you could always set an argument this way, but and then pass it on to the next thing. Let's see. If else is sub true to action I could else And then test trigger. Wait. Hold on. Yep, it's subscribed. Ooh, but you might need to make sure that the capitalization is correct. Because if I were to do jump. Oh, what do you know? But now, if you were to do jump, you get Captain Coder. So try that. Try that real quick. Just exclamation point jump. Do it. Try it.
Yes, the answer is yes, Daddy. Daddy, the answer is yes.
See? So
Yes,
those of
the
you
answer
who
is
don't,
yes, Daddy.
who aren't
Daddy,
subs,
the answer is yes.
get the captain. I get the sacks. So that's one way that you can do logic without having to do code. If I remember right, that was one of the issues that you had before, is that you didn't want to write code. Not just good, it's epic. See? Okay, there we go. Okay, so yep, there's StreamerBot. Did I come up with idea yet? No, not yet. You know what I came up with? A booger. Just a little bitty booger. I am not creative at all. I can't think of... No. I can't think of anything, any kind of game. My primary language is PHP. And hopefully I'll have a job in the near future where I can use it again. Hopefully. God, I hope so. Yeah, God, I hope so. I was putting in applications all over the place yesterday. Local factories, local retail, local anything. Sorry, I gotta check something real quick. So far today, we've made a booger. 3 hours, and we have a booger. That started with this. I mean, that I am kind of proud of the shaders. I mean, the Voronoi gives it some shadows, almost, where there ordinarily wouldn't be any. I don't know what I expected here. I knew that nothing was going to show up. Wasn't there a cowboy? What? I'm not sure what. How about a claim? What kind of claim? Yeah, that was not me. Oh god, this is the hardest part. Why do I do this? Why do I do this to myself? I okay. 7 days. You need to come up with the idea. Is it going to be something ooze related? Is it going to be something completely different? It needs to have some randomness to it. Maybe we should come up with the story first. But it has to have input randomness to it. And that sounds like a very intensive game to do in 7 days. Okay, sorry, I'm spacing out. Ads are going to start up here in a minute. I need to run to the bathroom now, so I'm going to take a break real quick. I'll be back around the time that the ads are finishing up, hopefully. So I'll see you all in a few minutes. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. So wait, you've got no playlist, but you've got 6 videos up here. You're up to 1,300 subscribers. What would you say you attribute your... No, 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 no. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You dead. Game over. You're first. You're not the worst. I don't know why I wasn't following you before. I was sure that I had, but Twitch is weird sometimes. where's that other one hiding? There is a. Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. Forest full of trees. I can't find a single one. Oh, okay, there's my bathroom for the night. Yep. Set. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Up. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. Oh, 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 don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. 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 Okay. I had another idea. I don't know how viable it is. Well, it actually kind of is. All right, let me what is the difference roguelike, roguelite? Um Okay. Here, this is what it is.
Really get to grips with it, we need to break it down into two types, which game designers frequently refer to as input randomness and output randomness. Input randomness is when a random event occurs before the player gets to make a decision. The most obvious take on this is the procedurally generated levels in a roguelike, because they're cobbled together and then you get to play in them. Other examples are drawing a hand of cards before taking your turn in a deck builder, or rolling dice and then choosing where to spend them in dicey dungeons. Output randomness, though,
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
So today we're going to go over a little experiment of mine that uses auto tile. So the first thing we're going to go over is how to make auto tile. I highly suggest looking into some other tutorials.
Let's see.
Other tutorials, because I'm going to briefly go over it. But basically, the map figures out exactly what picture is supposed to be placed in each cell based on the tiles around that
This is
cell.
4 years ago?
So this picture is decided by the 8 cells around it. Now if you put one here, it changes this original one so it
Let's see. Let's see. Using it, match tiles. God, I am bad at this. No, Jackie did a series. All right, what the hell? Let's see what Jackie has to say.
Hello everybody, and welcome to episode 7 of our tile map tutorial series. I'm going to call this Proc Gen World. Okay, and we are going to add a tile map to this world. Okay, let's save our scene, Control S to save it in the scenes file, save. Let's create it, go to the root scene, make a script, go to the scripts folder, and save that. Awesome. I'm going to just delete all of that for now and save the script. And we can actually, you can exit out of the other scenes, but I want to open world 2 again, because if you look in our tile map in our ProcGen world, we're going to need a tile set. And we don't want to do all that work of creating the tile sets and the terrains and everything all over again. So an easy way to do that is to come into our old tile map, go to the tile set, and put save as. And I like to save such resource files in a data folder, but you can do it how you like. And we're just going to save this as tile set. And when it's .trez, that means it's a resource. So we'll save that. And now in our data folder, we have this trez file. So now when we go to our tile map, we don't need to create a new one. We can just put our old one in. And this has all of the tiles, and it also has the texture.
Use
and it's
chapters.
going to be of type noise texture 2D. So this is a subset of textures. So we're going to use @export so we can get access to this variable in the inspector. And here it says noise height texture. So we're going to create a new noise texture 2D, and then we're going to click into it, and you're going to see all these different values. But what's most important is when we come here to noise. So if you want to and create, it's working, we can go to the raw data, and you'll see basically if it's 0, it's black. If it's 1, it's white. And then there's all shades in between. We're going to come here to constant. Okay. And we are going to push this to the side. And since this is our noise height, if the value that we get here is below a certain value, we're going to want to put water. So I'm going to change this to a blue so it can. And if it gets above another value, and then when I refresh, you'll see now there's more water, but now there's way too much. And whatever. This is not the values we're going to be receiving. It's not going to just turn into this. We're going to have to do it manually. This is just to show you. So basically, the bread and butter of this, you can read more information about it, but we are basically going to loop through our width and our height. So for let's use x. For x in range, width. For y in range, height. And we're going to get a variable called noise value. And basically, we're going to take this noise. And remember, in here, there's a method, getNoise2D. We're going to use that method. So you should do noise. Understanding of the range of these floats is I like to, and then we're going to get lowest. And we're going to do min, just so we could see the range. Forgot a D there. We want append. Cool. So you could see that the range is basically width and a height. So let's say our width is 200 and our height is 200 as well. When we start in this loop, in this for loop up here for x in range, our range is from want land. And if it's under the 0, we want water. And basically, our for loop is be returning these numbers, and we're basically going to be telling it, okay, if you give me this number, so let's say if our noise value is greater than 0, let's use 0.0 because remember, this noise value does return a float. We want to place a land tile, and we'll do pass, and we'll do L access to land atlas. So in our tile map, if we click it and we go to tile set, we'll know that the source ID is 0. So we'll put that here. Source ID equals 0. Our water atlas is 0.1. So we'll do equals vector 2i 0, 1. And then our land atlas is 0, 0. Cool. So let's place the land here. So we'll do tile map, set cell. You should already know how to do this. We're just going to put everything on layer 1 for now. And for our chords, for the position, what do you think the position is going to be? Where are we going to place it? So you could pause the video and find out. Okay, so unpause the video. Our coordinates are going to be basically this x and y that we are looping through. So we're just going to put x and y. You can just put a camera Let's add the camera. And you'll see when we add the camera to the 0, 0, it's not doing it in the middle, and that's really annoying. So what we can do is we can come here and we could loop and set through width, because whenever you do the size of something, it always starts at 0, 0. So what we can do is we can make it start at negative width divided by 2, and then width divided by 2. And then we want to do the same for height. Negative height divided by 2, height divided by 2. And then this will go in the center. And this doesn't give us a large view. I want to add our character first. So let's come in here, choose the paper clip view. We're going to be more zoomed in. And if you say, oh wow, these land masses are really small, I don't like it, there's a very simple fix. With the way we have it set up, it's super easy to adjust the values. We just want to come into the noise, and if you want bigger land masses, you're going to want to adjust the frequency. So the frequency is like zooming in, and I just want to show you that when you change the seed, so right now the seed is at 0, you're going to get the same result, but if you change the seed by 1, you get very different result. And that is the amazingness of procedural generation. You put in the variables that you want and the noise, the frequency. You could do all these. You can also...
Okay, that makes sense. For the most part, but I don't think it's going to be useful for what I want to do, because I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, I'm losing. Lynn, stop! Hey, Learns to Sleep, welcome in. Good to see ya. First time chat, I appreciate you being here. Hey, Science, welcome in.
I know I'm handsome human. Now let me lay on the pedestal and watch me in green screen. Yeah, if all of a sudden behind me is no longer like the Erie building, but you see a wall, we'll know that, you know, everything's been destroyed, all the green screen. Thank you guys so much for that hype train. You guys are absolutely amazing.
Brilliant. That's a long clip.
Absolutely not needed, not required. Always appreciate it. And remember, everything goes right back to the community.
The jam not going great. I mean, day 1, but I need Danny. I need Danny Anduza in here to help me come up with an idea, because the theme is primordial. Actually, biologist might be pretty helpful with primordial ideas as well. So far, all I've come up with is ooze. I got a week. Don't. I can't recreate Spore in a week. Brilliant. I was thinking it's something to do with evolution, but it also needs to have some kind of randomness to it. Ooh, Learn to Sleep. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Let's see. What if I mean, like, technically Tetris is input randomness. You know, I'm at a complete loss. What are we thinking here? What we need to get I need fresh ideas. Learns to Sleep, are you trying to do the Fox Hollow as well? And I really want to. I really want to, but I don't have ideas. You know, Belen, from everything that I've learned from your channel, I know that RNA is guac. If there's anything that I've taken away from watching you and Lita, it's that RNA is guac. Guacamole, wasakaka, mofongo. Hey, Liver Die, how's it going? Welcome in. It's difficult. Honestly, I don't think I haven't been in the right headspace to really do anything lately. I'm not. My brain isn't creating, and I think it's because I'm burnt out. I've been in a perpetual state of fight or flight since April 4th, and I'm not thinking clearly. I was hoping, I was thinking maybe doing a game jam, doing this kind of stuff would take my mind off of it, but I don't think any of this is going to take my mind off of things. And I'm thinking that I'm probably setting myself up for failure. Because I can't come up with any freaking idea here. What can I do to get brain juices flowing? What can I? What the hell is that thing? So it's nothing alive. It's just something that I see on a shelf that I don't recognize from anything that I have. Weird. Hey, Bruce Malt. Welcome. Welcome back. Good to see you. I mean, we could just rock out to Sandstorm by Derude. Until I give myself whiplash. So trying to do, I signed up for a game jam. I'm just in general, my brain, like I said, I've kind of been in fight or flight since April 4th, and my brain is just exhausted. Completely and totally exhausted. The theme of the game jam is primordial, and you have to have a required mechanic of input randomness. I don't, and I've just, there's so many self-negating things I could say right now that I'm trying to prevent myself from saying, because you know what? Negative reinforcement is not healthy. Even though the thoughts are still in my head, I'm still hearing them in my brain hole. But I'm not putting them out there, not out loud. But I'm having a difficult time putting any concentration or effort into anything with a time frame. And I think that I'm making a mistake by trying to do a game jam. I just don't think, I don't know that I mentally or physically have it in me to push myself for something like this. This is true. Well, my first thing, I mean, my first idea, I mean, everything primordial. Word association, first thing is ooze. Neris!
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Neris, how is it going? I'm glad insert last activity here was good. Anything you want to share? What were you working on? What were you doing?
That thingy on her purse starts to glitch really badly when I do this glitch. Yeah. It's this thing that's glitching the game. Oh wow. Wee! Look at it go.
Nice. The raiders coming in who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer. Struggling to learn game development while I am looking for work. Right now, I am trying to participate in the Fox Hollow Game Jam. I think I'm going to pull out because I don't know that I have the mental capacity or stamina. But I've been working on a couple different things over the past few months. Today, we made an ooze. Ooze. Looks like a booger. My primary, the main game that I've been working on has been a game about a bear. who doesn't like fires. And we might switch back to that. Maybe I think, you know, probably in my best interest to do that and not try to do a game jam. But you know, who knows? Let me pull that up maybe. So Raiders, feel free, drop a follow if you like anything you see. Pull this, pull opening all the things, and this is gonna kill my frame rate again. Because that's just how it goes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, Neris, thank you for the raid. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for bringing people over here. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to kickstart my brain. I mean, Motley Crue can kickstart my heart, but... Or was that Poison? Hell, it might have even been Rat. Oh, it was Motley Crue. Yeah. It was a crew, yo. I saw them quite a few years back. Put on one hell of a show. It was at Crew Fest in Chicago at the Tinley Park theater. I can't remember what it's called now. It used to be called the New World, but it's not. Oh, excuse me. Oh, damn it. I need to find out what the hell is taking so long to load, because it should not be. I'm guessing that it's because I put, oh, I think I know exactly what it is. Assets. Maybe it's not any of those. What the frick? Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, those are definitely slowing shit down. Yeah, we're gonna. We're gonna have to clean up a lot of this shit. So much stuff. So much stuff to clean up. Bruce, well, I know that feeling. I was kind of wondering if I should just go up and make another peanut butter jelly sandwich. And again, because I'm trying trying to think of something, but maybe walking around a little bit, maybe moving my legs, maybe something. Anything but touching grass. I gotta touch grass this afternoon for another concert. I don't want to do it any more than I have to. That stuff is bad. That's horrible. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, running a little bit behind on thoughts here. But God, Godot, come on. Okay. This is the bear. He doesn't like fire. In fact, he doesn't like much of anything since all his friends were killed in a fire. That's how it goes. You knows? And this is Blob. So where do we go from here? What do we do? What do we do? I need to check something here. Yes. I know. Feel horrible looking at a lot of the stuff. So unfortunately I had to cancel a lot of my subscriptions on here. Hold on, I just got an email about. Wait, okay. We'll see. I might have to BRB for a little bit to go check on an email. About a job, because right now that is my highest priority. Find job. Yes, I know the payment didn't go through. Stop telling me that. Just give me the 6-digit code. Things are weird. Come on. There it is. There it is. Finally, I hope. Nope, never mind. It's not a remote job, so I can't do it. Shit, now what? Tell you what, I think I'm gonna take off for the morning. I'm gonna go eat something. Again, just like Brute. It's not because I'm hungry, because I need to walk around. I need to do something and get a fresh take on something. Maybe I'll take a hot shower, have a brilliant idea, And then forget it the second I walk out of the shower and start drying off. Because that happens a lot. Bruce Malt, I wish I could enjoy it, but I've eaten so much peanut butter and jelly over the past 3 months. Waterproof notepad. That's not a bad idea. Someday. But words are escaping me again. So what the hell? Let's see who's streaming, who we can raid out to. You know, I think that I'm gonna pull out of the game jam, but that doesn't mean other people should. Wait a minute. What?
So we could define what those values were on the individual enemies instead of having to make
Hold on, before we go over there,
in the resource. This music gives visions of a Game Boy flying across the room in rage.
I'm not gonna raid over there if he's got stuff.
The things people say when they hear certain songs is fantastic. Okay, Tuber Trigger, I got your message. No worries. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate ya. JD, why slow mode? Because we were getting bot followed. We had like 50 bot follows in 10 seconds. So we've got shield mode on for like another hour, and then we'll turn that off, and hopefully that'll kind of deal with it.
Okay.
So welcome on in.
I have a policy where I don't raid out to anybody with follow mode or followers only, and if you've got slow mode on, I hate not going over there, but been among low recently. Where get practical. All right, so y'all know the drill. Take care, YouTube. If you haven't followed me or subbed to me over there, please do.